I'm eager and all ears about these illusions. But who is the magician?
I see your curiosity. That intensity is essential for uncovering illusion. The magician is none other than your own mind. Not as an enemy, but as a clever survival system that constantly edits reality to keep you functional. We will continue using science, direct observation, and logic because science relies on what can be universally tested and verified. Along with that, we will rely on your own experience. Is that acceptable to you?
Yes. Using observation, science, and reason to discover truth sounds fair.
Good. Now listen carefully. What you perceive as an image is never a picture of reality. Scientifically, light reflected from objects enters the eyes as electromagnetic waves. These waves strike the retina, where they are converted into electrical signals.
So, I'm not seeing the world itself. I'm watching my brain's internal movie, meaning I'm not actually seeing things, only experiencing electromagnetic signals translated by the brain.
I know this can feel frustrating and even disheartening, but it goes deeper than that. You have never truly tasted, smelled, touched, or heard anything beyond the brain's interpretation of electromagnetic signals. All sensory experience is mediated, processed, and reconstructed. To further deepen this illusion of perception, the image formed on the retina is actually inverted. The brain then reconstructs and flips it to produce what you experience as an upright world. At this stage, the raw data contains only color, contrast, and basic shape. Everything else is added later by the brain.
Great, upside down footage corrected by mental software. No wonder reality feels so thoroughly messed up.
To mystify the illusion deeper, distance, depth, and solidity are not directly perceived. The brain constructs them using memory, input from both eyes, movement, and learned patterns. Time, as you experience it, is also created by the brain. It arranges sensory events into before and after and infers cause and effect, making experience feel continuous and meaningful. The brain processes only what is useful for physical survival. 99% information in the environment is filtered out. You never see reality as it is, you experience the brain's version of it.
So, time is just the brain's timeline editor, keeping the story watchable. In short, the brain filters, edits, and assembles raw sensory data into a story it can understand by constantly comparing it with stored memory. I have never actually experienced solidity in any experience. This illusion of perception is even more bewildering than the illusion of concepts. It is a brilliant trick played by the magician mind. Like falling deep into a rabbit hole. I am completely mind blown.
Wait, there's more to come. In the end, you'll realize you weren't falling into a rabbit hole at all, but into a bottomless pit. And in our next meeting, we will blow away the very illusion of the magician itself, the mind.